Hey everybody, this is Jin Kazama 687. I'm going to show you a glitch on Dragon Ball Z Tenkaichi Tag Team. Now it's sort of funny, really. Alright, here we go. Alright, let the battle commence. Or start. Here we go.
Okay, time for some practice. All right, Piccolo.
See? He said Piccolo instead of Goku. Sort of funny. Alright. Alright, that's all. Leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below if you also got suggestions for glitches. See you later.